Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mila. I'm a board certified health and wellness coach, and I live with latent autoimmune diabetes in adults. Today, I'm going to teach you how to properly inject your Mounjaro GLP-1 agonist medication. You might have been following me after I shared my experiences on Ozempic. And while Ozempic did great things for my insulin sensitivity, blood sugars, and some weight loss, life happens, insurance changes, and medications that you originally had covered are no longer covered. And that's what happened to me. So now I'm starting on Mounjaro, which is a once weekly injectable that does similar things to Ozempic, even though the active ingredient is a little bit different. The active ingredient in Ozempic is semaglutide, where the active ingredient in Mounjaro is tirzepatide. Mounjaro has been shown to increase results in terms of weight loss, blood sugar management, and it has different scales and different levels that you can start in so that you're able to get the most benefit for where you are. I've been on Mounjaro for about 2 weeks now, and I honestly have not had the same level of side effects that I had on Ozempic, so that's a great thing. I'm starting on the 7.5 milligram dose of Mounjaro, which is about equal to the 2 milligram dose of Ozempic. The goal is eventually to go up. I'll keep you updated on my progress and what happens. Weight loss has been a goal and a challenge for me my entire life. The goal is health overall. If this helps me be healthier and I lose weight, great. If this helps me be healthier and I don't lose weight, great. All I want is the most optimum health possible. Now, let's get started with taking our injection. First thing you're going to do is remove your medication from your box. Comes in a box of 4 for a 1 month supply, and this is taken once weekly. You'll remove the pen that you're going to use and inspect it. Make sure that it's not leaking. Make sure that it is in the locked position. And also be sure to notice if there are any signs of tampering or if it's open. If this cap is not on securely, or if you see any of the medication leaking out of the vial, those are signs that you should not use the pen. Choose your injection site and prep the area. You can inject either around your belly button, on your thighs, or the backs of your arms. Any of those sites are appropriate for taking your injection. Then you're going to take your alcohol pad. You're going to wipe the area of the skin where you want to have the injection. I'm choosing to do it on my stomach. Make sure that it is properly dried. Then I'll take my pen and I'm going to make sure it is still in the locked position. I'm going to pull the cap off, just straight off. You do not replace this cap back onto the pen. You'll need to dispose of the pen in a sharps container that is appropriate for this type of pen. Once you pull the gray base cap off, you can see that there is a needle inside. Don't touch it, but just showing you that it is there. Then you'll take your pen and you'll stick it up against the injection site. And you'll want to turn the pen so that you can see the locked and unlocked button. You will place the clear base against your skin. You'll turn to the unlock position, which is just a simple twist of your hand. And then you are going to press the purple injection button, and it should click twice. You hold it there for about 10 seconds, and you'll know that the injection is complete whenever the purple button is all the way pressed down and you're unable to push it anymore. You've done your injection. You'll want to take your pen and dispose of it in an appropriate sharps container. That way you don't have to deal with needle sticks or any unsafe handling procedures. Thank you guys so much for watching, for being here, and also for supporting my channel. Just remember that I offer free diabetes health and wellness coaching. We work on habit change, on establishing your goals, on general education about living with diabetes and what it means. It's a pay what you can resource, so you can pay nothing if you can't pay anything, or you can pay whatever you want. Healthcare is just so inaccessible at times. Big goal in life is to help as many people as possible. So that's why I became a board certified health coach. I really wanted to be able to help people with the in between. Getting launched into this diagnosis is really difficult. And so if there can be someone that is there for you, that is helping you, that is educating you along the way, that is building community for you and making sure that you know that you're not alone, truly one of the best things in the world. I guess that means that I'm doing one of the best things in the world, which is pretty cool. So be sure to visit my app. It's called Glucose Guide. You can download it on the App Store or Google Play, or you can access it through your browser. It's a great place. We have great reviews. People learn so much. And the best part is that we have this community that all understands each other and wants to have that sense of camaraderie, understanding, and community. So that's it for this video. I hope that this is beneficial and informational for you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it helped you in any way. It helps my channel immensely. And I will see y'all in the next one. Take care. Bye.